Here we see the nearly completed snowman, which has just been described as demented. Behold his demented snowman. And the creator of said demented snowman.
Don't break on me, Bernard.
You named it?
Yep, his name's Bernard.
The snowman's name is Bernard. Hello, Bernard.
You seriously fucking...
Running a snowplow in the middle of the biggest snow. Oops. Keep forgetting that there is in fact a curve there. Let's see. Sky was cleared off maybe 5 minutes ago. Already been covered once more. So very, very wet. Bulldozers. Now that's the way to remove snow.